Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the format string method in Python. It is probably the most widely used string method in all of Python. So it's pretty cool. What it does is it's going to return a copy of a string to us with data inputted into it. So it allows us to create like a string. For example, we'll look at my name is, and you can put in your first and last name, and you can change that to something else. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to create a string, and I'm going to say my name is, and then curly brace, and then space, curly brace, close out that string, and then period, format, and then in here I'm going to put my name, Tom, and then another one, comma, then my last name, Myers, like that. And what these are called is positional arguments. I know we haven't really touched on arguments at all, but these are positional arguments. And these are wrapped in a tuple, which we cannot see at the moment. But when we use positional arguments, they're wrapped in a tuple. So it's going to go ahead and take the first argument and put it in the first curly brace, and take the second argument and put it in the second curly brace. So we hit return, and then we go ahead and call name, and there we go. My name is Tom Myers. So there you go. There's my name. Let's take a look at another example. Since I said this is in a tuple, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at how that works. Before we even start, you guys may be wondering what a tuple is, since we haven't covered that. A tuple is an immutable sequence of data. All right, and we'll cover that in this tutorial series. So it's just like a string, but it holds different formats of data. So let's go ahead and do name is equal to, and we're going to say my name is, just like we did, curly brace. Now we're going to put a 1 in here in that curly brace, and then the second one we're going to use another curly brace, put a 0 in there, and then another curly brace, close out a string, do format, and we'll use Tom, close out that string, comma, and then Myers. And there we go. Alright, so what is going on here is, like I said, this is a tuple. When we use positional arguments, it's wrapped in a tuple. So basically, Tom now becomes, what am I talking about? Alright, so we're asking for the argument at the 1 index. So if we go 0, 1, it's going to be Myers. And then it's asking for the argument at the 0 index. So we go 0, and it's Tom. So my name's going to be reversed. So we'll call name, and there we go. My name is Myers Tom. All right. So that's how that works. Also, we can use keyword arguments. So let's take a look at that. So we'll do the same exact thing again. Name, my name is, and then curly brace, we're going to say first underscore name, curly brace, and then another curly brace, and we're going to say last underscore name, curly brace, and then close out that string, and we'll do format, and here we're going to say first underscore name is equal to Tom, and it's got to be in string format, so we'll say Tom, and there we go, and then comma, and then we're going to do last name underscore, or last underscore name as equal to Myers, like that, and we'll close out our method there. And what is going on here is when we use keywords here in the method, it is now wrapped in a dictionary. You guys may not know what a dictionary is. So a dictionary consists of keys. So the left side is the key and the right side is the value. All right. So basically we're saying, hey, get the key name first name and return that value for me. Get the key name last name and return that value for me. So we're going to hit return. And we're going to call name, and there you go. My name is Tom Myers. So that is the format string method in Python. It's very simple to use as long as you understand these 3 concepts right here. If you have any questions, head over to mastercode.online and let us know there. We'll be more than happy to help us. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about format map. Format map string method. See you there.